to Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 4th chapter of class 8 okay, or the chapter name is Me's spelled tail. Me's spelled tail. Me's spelled means not spelled correctly. Me's means wrong. Okay, suppose I say the spelling of air, A-I-R. Air means wind, breeze, etc. And here air means the inheritor, beneficiary, successor, uttradhikari. Okay, and before actual start of this chapter, we will discuss the word stock of this chapter so that you could understand the chapter very well. Okay, my dear friends, let us discuss the word stock of this chapter. Word stock, boy. You know, life boy. That is the boy, life-saving liquid. That's named life boy. Clear? And genesis. Genesis is laminated, painted rock. Clear? Tail. Tail means long structure comes at the end of something, or you may call posterior, back portion, or tag that comes in the end of anything. Okay, and there are number of word meaning in this chapter. You should go through the line by line of this chapter and note down the misspelled words and find out their actual meaning and try to have the meaning in English to English. Okay, my dear friends, let us start the chapter. Before that, I would like to discuss what is homophone. What is homophone? What is homophones? Okay, what is homophones? The word, two words having different meaning, different spelling, but same pronunciation are called homophones. Okay, two words, right? Sun, sun and sun. These two words having different spelling, different meaning, but same pronunciations. So dears, always keep in your mind and note down in your copies, notebook, so that you will remember it for long time. Okay, see, two words or the words having different meaning, different spelling, but same pronunciation are called homophones. And the example is here: sun and sun, air, here. Clear? Tail, tail. Okay, and there are number of meanings, and there are number of words which have same pronunciation but different meaning and spelling. And there is a separate chapter in your grammar book about the homophones, and try to have especially find out the meaning misspelled word from your chapter. It will be better for you. Okay, let us start the chapter. See, this is the class 8 book, chapter number 4. Okay, a misspelled tail. Okay, this poem is full of spelling mistakes. Spelling mistake, we usually done it. We usually commit every day. Write the meaning, or due to same pronunciation we misspell the words oftenly, and we should have focus on it. Okay, and there is a huge difference between it. So this poem is full of spelling mistakes. The poet has cleverly used homophones throughout the poem. It means the poet has already focused on the homophones used in this chapter, and he is saying us, explaining before us that how we could use homophones correctly, and we can use correctly only if we have the knowledge, if we have the sort of the spelling, two words having the different spelling, different meaning and same pronunciation. It means homophones. Okay. These are words that sounds the same but which have a different meaning and sometimes a different spelling. I have already told you that is boa, deer, air, here. Here it is given. So go through the book and find out the meaning. That will be better for. Now start. A little boy said to mother, dear. Here B-O-O-Y, and it is incorrect here. A little boy, B-O-Y, said mother, dear. D-E-E-R, dear means wild animals, and D-E-A-R, dear means deer. May I go out to play? T-O, two and T-O-O, two. Here it will be T-O, to play. The sun, S-O-N. The sun is bright. It means not S-O-N, S-U-N. S-U-N. The sun is bright. The air is clear. Here air nahi. This air is not. This air is clear. Here it will be A-I-R. Air is clear. Oh, mother, don't say no. N-E-I-G-S, name is the sound produced by horses. Okay, and no means no, negative. Go forth, F-O-R-T-S, forth means move ahead, and F-O-U-R-T-S, forth means chautha. Here it will be F-O-R-T-H. Go forth, my son, S-U-N, not S-U-N, S-O-N. Go forth, my son, the mother said. The aunt, A-N-T, aunt means chitty, A-U-N-T. Here it will be A-U-N-T. The aunt said, take never slow. Take never slow. Take ever means nahi, take never slow. Okay? Take ever, sorry. E-W-E-R, not E-V-E-R. Take ever slow. It means go slowly. Your Genesis, new laid, wall painted red. R-E-A-D, not R-E-A-D, R-E-D will be the correct one. And the Genesis is correct. No lays, slate, okay. Wall painting, A-W-L, that is not W-A-L-L, wall painting. But B-U-T, not B-U-T, but do no, do not, sorry, here do, here it will be do, D-O, and not K-N-O-T, not N-O-T, not lose your way. Way means, here way means, here W given is W-E-I-G-S, and will be the correct one is W-A-Y, way. Clear? Off. No. K-N-O-W will be incorrect. Here the meaning will be N-O. Spelling of the correct one. N-O. Off. No. He cried and sought. Not sought. Thought. Sought the street with heart. H-A-H-E-A-R-T. Not H-A-R-T. Heart. Saw. S-U-W nahi. S-A-W. Saw, full of glee. Glee means happiness. Full of glee means happiness. The weather changed. The weather changed. Weather here is incorrect. We have to write W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather means condition or climatic condition. Great, G-R-E-A-T. Great through watery pool. Great through watery pool. Okay. He flew, F-L-E-W, fly, flew, okay, not flu. Flu is a type of disease. Flew with might, M-I-G-S, and man, man, with might and man. It means full power. Said he, though I would, would be incorrect here. would, would work by rule. I am not right. RIT is incorrect. RIGST. I am not right. This plane, not plane. PLNA and PLAIN will be the correct one. I had liked to meet. Not MEAT. Meat means the flesh we eat. But here MEET will be the correct one. I had liked to meet some, SOME will be the correct one. Some kindly soul, SOUL. Kindly soul, not SOLE. Soul means single. Your soul means the great Atma. For her gone. Here HEAR, here nahi. Here it will be ear. Okay. For ear gone, dangerous wheat. Okay. And yonder stares a treacherous hole. Treacherous means having a regular gap, space between the regular gap and the deep one. Hole, WHO, hole means totally, HOLE, hole means point. Okay, opening, a small opening. Here it will be the HOLE, hole. Too slow has been my gait. Too slow name, two holes. Too slow, SLOW will be the correct one. Too slow has been my gait. A piece of, not piece, PEAC, piece means complete silence, or PICE, piece means part. A piece of bread, BREAD, not BRED. A piece of bread, a nice hot cake, not steak. Okay. A snake, here it will be a snake. I had chew if I were home. Okay. This cruel, CRUAL. This cruel fate, FATE, not FET. This cruel fate, my heart will broke. My heart will broke, HEART. Heart will broke. I love not thus to roam. I love, KNOT will be wrong and NOT will be right one. I love not thus to roam. Roam means walk. I am weak. WEEK, weak means sapta, and WEAK, weak means feeble, kamzor. I am not weak. I am weak and pale. PALE, pale means dukhi. I have missed my route, not MIST. Mist means you may call mist means small droplets, but here it will be MISS. I have missed, MISSED. Missed my road, ROAD. Road means tukra, dukhi. But here a cart, CART will be wrong, and cart is a basket. Cart came past. You may call cart block cut. Okay. He and his slave were safely towed, not safely towed. Towed means a small, you may call frog. Here it will be tied. Here it will be called tied. Safely tied back to TO, not TWO. He is home at last. Okay, my dear friends, this chapter I have already found the misspelled word and have told you the right one. you have to first of all find out these words, and as I have told, you have to find out and write the correct one, and now see the meaning. In this chapter, the poet's mother told, "My dear son, go outside and walk through the street." And he went through the street and went to a house where two holes found in the wall, and where he strike it big, and he was saved already, but he knows I have not eaten too much and I am weak. That's why it is impossible for me. And it is the great thankful to my mom who have tied a rope to my sledge. Okay, my dear friends, अब आपको हिंदी में 2 मिनट के लिए मैं बोल देता हूँ, आप समझ जाएंगे। एक लड़का था, उसकी मम्मी बोलती है जाओ घूमने, बहुत अच्छा सन खिला हुआ है और हवाएं चल रही है। वो खेलने वाला खिलौना जैसा आपके देख लो, ये स्लेज इसी को बोलते हैं, इसको, क्लियर। और इसको लेकर वो चला जाता है खेलने, और जैसा आप देख रहे हैं कि उसमें बंधा हुआ है रोप, ये लेकर चला जाता है, और उसको बहुत मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगता, फिर भी स्ट्रीट में क्या बोलते हैं, रास्ते को फॉलो करते हुए चला जाता है। लेकिन वो एक दीवार पे जाकर टकराता है, तो वहां पर 2 होल रहता है, चूंकि वो बच जाता है, लेकिन वो अपने मॉम को थैंक्स बोलता है कि चूंकि डोर बंधा हुआ था इसलिए उसे कुछ हुआ नहीं। हमको इसमें फोकस मेन करना था मिस स्पेल्ड वर्ड पे, क्लियर। इसमें और कुछ नहीं था, ये जो होमोफोन्स था उसको फाइंड आउट करके उसको मीनिंग जान लीजिए, आपके लिए काफी। ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वन मोर थिंग्स, व्हाई वी शुड हैव, व्हाट इज होमोफोन्स and what will be the benefit, how it is beneficial for me or for you and for everyone. It is beneficial for us because it helps us to write the correct English and save from us, or it avoid writing, or it suggests us to use the appropriate word in the appropriate conditions. Thank you.